Hi everyone, welcome to this new series where we'll be solving the Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Past Paper 0478/22 from the May-June 2025 exam session. Let's get started. Question number 13, Part B, Section 2. 80 adults solved the same puzzle as the students. The cumulative frequency table shows information about the time taken by each adult to solve the puzzle. Use your cumulative frequency diagram to find an estimate for A, the median, B, the lower quartile. To find the median and lower quartile from a cumulative frequency diagram, we use the total number of data values. Total number of adults is 80. The median is the middle value. The position of the median is 80 divided by 2 equals 40, so we need to find the time that corresponds to cumulative frequency 40. To find the median, we shall use the graph we have created in Section 1 of Question 13, Part B. Go to 40 on the vertical axis, draw a horizontal line until it meets the curve. From that point, draw a vertical line down to the time axis. From the graph, we can see that time is almost 63 seconds, so point 4 median will be 63,40. Now, the lower quartile is 1/4 of the total data. The position of the lower quartile is 80 divided by 4 equals 20. So we need to find the time that corresponds to cumulative frequency 20. Go to 20 on the vertical axis, draw a horizontal line until it meets the curve. From that point, draw a vertical line down to the time axis. So time is approximately 46 seconds. So point for lower quartile will be 46,20. Excellent! We have solved the question and our final answer is time for median is approximately 63 seconds and time for lower quartile is approximately 46 seconds. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share with others. Have a nice day.